Welcome to the DMC closet. We're going to be giving you a tour real quick, showing you the inventory, where everything's at. First thing, we have 20 bistros here. These are a little bit different than what will be found in the event storage closet. We want to just be keeping those separate, so the 20 that are here are just kind of this gray color. As we move on, you got the trash cans here. There's 16 in here right now, but that number might change, might go up, depending on how we feel about the diagrams and getting started, about what we're doing for getting started. So move farther this way, we've got 200 black chairs. These will most likely be used when we have big events in the field house, sometimes around the SSC, but not very often. We'll just use the blue chairs there. We also have 40 white chairs back here. You might not be able to see them, but the likelihood of us using those is grim, small. We're not going to be using those. Right here we have 12 large round tables. Can you think of an event where we would be using these? I mean, it's not going to happen often, maybe sometimes in the BTS, but
alumni asked for them once. But
right. It might happen every once in a while from other departments. Not often though. We have to use these. And then in the closet we have 24 small round tables. Yeah, and those were used for event rooms. They may be used for events around here, but every once in a while it's nice to have them in the middle between the DMC and the BTS, so we can just go from each. So, or DMC, BTS, SSC. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Yep. All right. So if we pan over here, well, first off, I want to bring out my little friend here. We got a nice little cart here, and the reason why we have this nice little cart is because, as you see to your left, we have 100 6-foots here. We got some brand new 6-foots that kind of look yellowish, grayish in color. So these will be what they kind of look like. When we've now marked these with an SGA X, so we know that this belongs to our office, that is ours. These boys are really nice because they are lighter and they are cleaner, and they just work a lot better than the other ones. So we put these to the front because we want to use these first for our events instead of the old boys that we have, just because, you know, why not utilize the newer ones first. And then over here we have all those classroom tables that we had in the event room closet, which used to be the old sound closet. We've moved all of those from there to this closet because, well, I don't really know why we had the space. So that's kind of where we have it. So we have them in here now. We don't use them that often, but if certain events and certain people and organizations ask for them in classrooms, if they want to add a little bit more classroom tables to those, we're going to use those. But yeah, and then we can take you down back when you're ready. So sweet. All right. So here is the back closet of the DMC closet, and we have, this is where we hold all our getting started stuff, signs, things like that. Actually, one important thing I want to say is on my right here is the PSG drape and PSG pipe is now ours. So you can use all these for pipe and drape setups in the DMC instead of having to go all the way to the SSC. We can use this now, so this is ours, which is really cool. On my left here, we have signs, getting started stuff, and then kind of behind you are these big blue bins that hold all the PSG drape, which are those big, heavy, thick boys, the ones that caused our getting started wall to collapse in the field house last year. So that's kind of what this is. Upstairs we have some more getting started stuff. There's kind of like a ladder that pops down here. We won't take you up there now, but there's like umbrellas up there and a bunch of other like signs and getting started storage stuff that we store up there, which we'll be using probably here in the next few weeks. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the closet. I don't think there's anything else we need to add, so yeah, should be good.